The Mahakumbh Mela, a journey through faith and history. The Mahakumbh Mela is one of the largest spiritual gatherings on earth, where millions of devotees come together to celebrate faith, unity, and the eternal pursuit of salvation. This festival is rooted in Indian mythology, history, and spiritual traditions, and it holds deep significance for Hindus worldwide. The story of the Kumbh Mela dates back to an ancient Hindu legend from the Puranas. The Devas, gods, and Asuras, demons, once engaged in a cosmic battle, churned the ocean, Samudra Manthan, to obtain the nectar of immortality, known as Amrit. When the nectar emerged, a fierce struggle ensued to claim it. Lord Vishnu, in his Mohini avatar, cleverly distributed the nectar among the Devas. However, in the chaos, 4 drops of Amrit fell on earth at 4 locations: Prayagraj, Haridwar, Ujjain and Nashik. These spots were sanctified, and the Kumbh Mela is held at these places in a rotational cycle. The Mahakumbh, occurring once every 12 years at Prayagraj, is the grandest of them all. The Kumbh Mela has been celebrated for over 2000 years, with historical references found in ancient texts, inscriptions, and accounts by travelers. The festival symbolizes the timeless nature of Indian spirituality, where dharma, righteousness, is upheld, and seekers come to cleanse their souls. The Mahakumbh Mela is not just a festival but a journey of self-purification and spiritual awakening. Devotees believe that bathing in the holy rivers during the Kumbh washes away sins and frees them from the cycle of birth and death, moksha. The celestial alignment during the Kumbh, where specific planets align, is said to amplify the spiritual energy of the locations, making them powerful centers for meditation and worship. Millions of people, ranging from ascetics, monks, and spiritual leaders to ordinary devotees, converge at the Kumbh. The sight of Naga sadhus, covered in ash, leading the ceremonial bathing, Shahi Snan, is both awe-inspiring and deeply symbolic of renunciation and devotion. The Kumbh also fosters a sense of unity among diverse communities, transcending barriers of caste, creed, and language. If this story stirred your soul, like this video and share it with your friends. And if you wish to unravel more mysteries with me, don't forget to subscribe. Your next adventure awaits.